Creating a quiz or test in Canvas is extremely easy to do. First thing we do is we click on the course that we actually want to create this for, and you want to go into the option called quizzes right here. When you click on quizzes, you can actually see we can add a quiz in the top right hand corner of the screen. When you click on this, you can actually see we can actually name the quiz whatever we want right here. And once you've actually created a title for the quiz or test, you can actually add a description like so. And we can actually go over to the questions tab right here and click on new questions. Now for my instance, I'm just going to name this question 1. And if you want this to be multiple choice, true or false, or fill in the blank, or etc., you can choose any of these options right here. I want this to be a multiple choice question, so I'm going to choose that. And once you've actually put in all the answers that you actually want to add, you can add another answer if you want it to be multiple choice like so, and you can do up to 5 answers in text boxes. Once doing that, you can click on update question, and that will save question 1 of the quiz, and you can add more and more questions like so just to your quiz like this. Now I want this to be question 2, so I'm going to name that, and I'm going to actually write the question out here. And let's just say for this one, I want it to be a true or false question. So if you want this answer to be true, you can say your description for what it means to be true, or you can actually just choose false, and you don't have to write anything in these boxes if you just want them to choose false. And when you click on done, you can click on update question, and you can see there's 2 questions of our quiz right here. And if you want to change the point value or edit a question, you can click on the pencil icon in the right side of the screen and actually edit the points in the top right hand corner. If you want this one to be 10 points, a big bulk of the quiz, you can do that like so, or add a question like this, which I forgot to do. And when you do that, when you're done with your quiz, you can click on save and publish so the students can view it, or if you want to re-edit it once you've republished it, you can see there's no assigned time they have to do it at the moment. You can click on the edit option right here, scroll to the very bottom, and we can actually choose our due date as well as the time that they have to do it, the time range, whether it be an hour, a day, or just like a month, depending on how long you want them to have. And if you want to assign this to multiple classes or just one in particular, like I want to assign this to Math 101 and I want to assign this to everyone in this class, you can click on save. And as you can see, this will simply save your quiz like that. And you can see it'll just open after this date and it'll be available from this date until this date.